So why is the failure rate in the real estate industry so high? What do the bad coaches teach? Okay. So the bad coaches in the real estate industry all teach the same thing. When you're prospecting doing telephone prospecting to get listings, they'd say something that would lead you to, I was just calling to see if you might be thinking of selling your house. They say yes. That's what we're hoping for. We want somebody to say yes. And then the first question out of their mouth is when. Why would they say when? Because it's all about me. It's all about me making money off of you. That's why I would say when, very first thing. But fearless agents don't do that. They sell the customer on the product. They crush the competitors. They resell them on the product long before we go to when. And when is asked correctly. So where are you moving to? Imagine you're at a party and a friend of yours is a couple, you're at a party with a couple maybe, and they say, oh, we're thinking about selling our house. You wouldn't say when, would you? Wouldn't it occur to you to say where because you care about them and you're worried they might move away and you won't see them anymore? If you're friendly, where would be the first question you would ask them? Or why, I don't recommend you ask that or something like that, but when would not even occur to you unless it's all about you getting paid. So if you weren't a realtor, you would ask where. If you are a realtor and a badly trained one, you would ask when. So let's avoid that and do things completely differently. So at Fearless Agent, we teach you to do the opposite of what all the other coaches teach you. You'll have a much better likelihood of success. There won't be any objection handling because you won't get any objections. And yes, of course, we teach objection handling, but you're not going to need it. So if you go to fearlessagent.com, go in the banner up across the top over on the right, click on the webinar, watch our webinar, and then give me a call at 480-385-8810. We'll just have a chat to see if what we do might be a good fit for you. If it is, you'll get rich. If not, we'll admit that to each other, and I'm still probably have other ways I might be able to help you. So again, give me a call anytime, and let's see if we can make you a fearless agent. Thanks.